Okay, we got to go into the manufactory. There we are. We're already into we were in the model space. Now we're into the manufactory. So we hit the setup. We hit the setup over here. And this is what squares the virtual world with the universe, the real world. First off, we got to set up our stock. Relative box size ain't no fucking good because there's no relative box size material. You can't go and order relative box size material. So we got 4 by 4 by 5.5. You want your stock to be as close in the confuser as it is to in the real world, because if you got extra material in the real world, the cam does not know that, and it will plunge, or well, it'll ruin your tools because it comes in hard and fast into what it thinks is air but is actually metal. So bad things happen. So you get the fixed size box. We're going to offset that on the Z height by a little bit, so offset from the top, and that will give us some room to buck off any kind of fugly areas. Never hit OK until you're OK. You got to move around here in the tabs. We start off on the stock. We're milling. Model orientation, we want to change that because we don't want the confuser telling us what to do. We want to tell it what to do. So we select our Z axis. We select our, I'm going to do that one as an X axis. And then stock point, we want to come over here. Now that Z is going the wrong direction. And now let's have a look at that. Now the X is going the wrong direction. And then it moves it. And now we are completely cattywampus. That's not right. We'll get there. We'll get there. Is that right? That's right. You know what tells me it's right? I made a little drawing of this and it's on a Post-it note right beside the monitor. So as long as you keep this point the same every time, you're going to be okay. Now in the post process, we'll give this a name, 0069, for obvious reasons. A meal with a view. This is the stock prep 4 by 4, and it's G54 is the work offset. This work offset 0, that means G54. Therefore, work offset 1 would be, you guessed it, G54. Work offset 2 is G55. That's just where, when you probe this in, that is where it hides all those variables in the control is under G54. You can pull that up in any program and it'll know you're referencing this point. Okay, that's all there is to it.